Hey people of YouTube, thank you for joining us. My name is Nate, I'm with Paradise RV, and this is little Gabriel. He's riding along with us today to show you this awesome 2016 leisure travel van, Unity. It's wonderful, I love the floor plan, it's luxury. Stick with us and we'll go through it. So, I want to start with these amazing chairs. They're super versatile and super comfortable, and they got a lot of cool features. There's that, and then push recliners. You just push a button and it reclines. It's also directly across from the TV, which is nice. I like when they do that, so you're not like looking or, you know, kinking your neck, looking one way or another. They also fold down, and they turn into, well, there's the fold down. There we go. You can also make it into a dinette, and I'll show you that here in a second. This button over here, you pull that lever, and it turns. And it's also got things on the side and USB connectors too to charge your phone. So they thought of everything with it. It's pretty awesome. There it goes. Voila. There we go. And now you got a dinner table.
That is so cool.
Right? Absolutely. And you got armchairs, and you can charge your phone, and you got little storage spots.
Time for a snack.
Time for a snack. Absolutely. So it also folds down into the Murphy bed. So we'll get
I'll show you that too. There you go. These come off. This folds down. Same thing with this. You wanna hold that? Sweet. Yeah, we can put that right there. I think it just pulls. Or did I lock it? I locked it. There we go. And now,
you got a bed. So theater seating, a dinette, and a bed all in one. And it's pretty simple to use. Yeah. It takes a second, but it's very functional, and it's one of our favorite floor plans just because it's very well thought out. So if you want to come in, I'll show you a bunch of other features. You got a hideaway TV, which is pretty cool. So it's just a push button, you push it down and it goes down. Here's all your remotes and everything, more storage. Oh, these hardwood cabinets are beautiful too. So plenty of storage up through here. The roller blinds, I like these really well instead of the string ones. Those are a pain in the butt. Up above on my right, your left, this is your control panel. So you got your Atwood water heater, which you can either have propane or electric. Here's your battery sensors, your generator start and stop. It only has 15 hours on the generator. And then your inverter, which will run your TV and a couple other items while you're traveling. It looks like we need to get a charge on the battery. Been out here running it a lot. Behind you is the entertainment center. So it's radio with speakers inside and outside. You got Bluetooth, you also got auxiliary in, you got USB in, you got all the stuff. It also comes with a vault. Yeah, safe. Mini vault. And then yeah, you got tons of storage. It's got the owner's manuals, bags and everything. It's got a nice skylight up here. So great natural light. And then we'll move on back. So here's your kitchen, compact but functional. We've got the extender, so when you're cooking for your prep area, 2-burner stove. It's got a little trash in the back. Little trash can. So that's convenient. Then you got the sink. just more storage everywhere, which is fantastic. I like the little spice rack in the back too. There it goes. You got pantry, convection microwave. You got your refrigerator. Bathroom's great too. It's a full-size bathroom, which you rarely get in these like C minus, B plus vans, you know. So there's plenty enough room to move around. Sliding pocket doors give you more space. There's also a full-length mirror on the back here, which is really nice too. You don't get that a lot either. Then you got your toiletries up here and towel racks and stuff. Max air vent, which is really great for moving air around. And then you can just see storage everywhere. Excuse me. So you got a wardrobe up here and more drawers. Yeah. And then nice mirrors. Well, they just pull open instead of pop open. Great shower. We'll do the shower test. So I'm 5'8" on a good day. So the showers are always kind of smaller in RVs. That's just a fight all the time. But if you're 6 foot or above, you do have the skylight that gives you extra little reach for it too. And this is, you can release like most. Grab bar. Nice. So anyway, what's next? Probably go outside and show you all that features. The outside is beautiful. The paint's in great shape. It's got a really nice awning. Tons of storage. It's got the Mercedes front end. It's got all the nice stuff. Oh yeah. Awning's in here. See. I think it is a little dirty, but we'll get it cleaned up. Yep, and then you got storage all along here. Yeah, so there's your inverter.
And there's a sponge.
There is a sponge.
And a battery.
Yep, that's an inverter.
Yeah.
It does work with the battery though. It's so you can watch your TV off the battery. So you don't have to be plugged into power. Your generator, it's an LP 3600. More storage. Cones. Yep.
And what's that?
Happy Camper odor free. So that is holding tank treatment. It's for the toilet, so the toilet doesn't stink. I like this big cargo storage back here.
I need a cargo toilet.
You can fit a whole toddler in there. Oh.
That's gonna be your hangout, bud.
And it was wet.
Oh. And got wet.
I do have this. I do have this.
Oh, that's my microphone. There's not a whole lot going back here, or like towing. It does have the 7-pin, and it does have a 2-inch receiver. So that means you can tow at least 3,000 pounds. I'll have to double check the specs on what these leisure vans can tow, but I'm assuming it's at least 3,000. You got more storage down here. Oh.
I got the other one.
You got the other one? And then it's twisties. Yep. Maybe. There we go. So here's your wet bay. Let's see. Oh, your propane fill station, your back flush system, your propane on and off switch, tank fill, all that good stuff. Outdoor shower. Oh, so you got soap, hand soap, and latex gloves in case you make a mess, because it's the dump station, so it's a little ooey's. This looks like a 10-gallon water heater, but let me verify. There it goes. No, 6 gallons. It's just wider than usual. Your cable, or not your cable, but your power cord, 30 amps. Slide, you got storage down here. Just tons of storage. Yep. Go for it.
It's in here.
Twists. I don't know. Yeah, it was a little stuck, huh? Oh, there's your power cord.
There's the power cord.
Cool. We're wrapping up. It's got the Mercedes front end, which is really luxury. Let me get this out of the way. Oh, there you go. Too much with it. But, so, visor, it does have 61,000 miles on it, which is barely broken in. It's the 6-cylinder turbo diesel. Let me verify the turbo. It'll be in the scrolling marquee. I don't know.
I don't know what's in here.
They upgraded the tires. It does have the Michelin on there instead of the Continental that typically comes with it. So those are 40 to 60,000 mile tires. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, we are Paradise RV. I'm Nate. This is Gabriel. Behind the camera is Deborah. Visit all of our inventory at rvparadise.com. You can also call. Thanks so much, and we'll see you out there.